Today I'm going to show you how to remove a gamma watermark. Ladies and gentlemen, I have this beautiful presentation over here and I need to export it. So I go ahead, I click on the three dots in Gamma, I come down to export, and well, now how do I export it? Like, there are many options, but what we want to do is put it into a PDF format. Once we put it into a PDF format, it's going to be downloaded to our device. This is what it's going to look like. It looks amazing, but we've got this watermark right over here, and really, we just don't want that watermark there. So what we do is, while we are here in Chrome, we go to Canva. When we are in Canva, we go to Create on the top left-hand side. Over here, you come down to Upload, and you click on Upload Files, and you now upload that PDF that you just downloaded from Gamma. You'll see now that it is uploading. It'll take a few seconds, and once it is actually uploaded to Canva, you'll be able to click on it. It'll now open up in a new design, as you can see over here, and well, it'll still have the watermark, but this is the magical part. What Canva does is it breaks a PDF down into each one of its individual elements. So everything that you see here, okay, is an individual element, including the watermark. Now you can select it as an individual element and go and hit delete, and there it's gone. It is actually the way it was seen here within Canva is an image inside of a frame. So we can just delete the frame, and we can do exactly the same over here. So just delete, come down here, each page, delete. All right, delete, and there you go. Delete. Now we can go back up to the top right hand side, click on share, click on download, make sure that it is in the format that you want it in, PDF if you want it in PDF, or in JPEG if you want it in JPEG. Go ahead and click on download. You will now have your PDF as a downloaded item without the watermark as you see it right over here. Let's see what it looks like when we open it up. So this was the before with the watermark, and this is the after without the watermark.